So was up early, but I got up late, so we're running late. Marlon is also running late, so we are running late. Shit. Okay, gotta drive now. Riverstone. Okay, we're shooting. I blurred. blur. Okay, we're shooting a wedding today with Marlon, and we're heading to Riverstone Estate. And yeah, we're traveling. I have nothing to say. Had a bad morning. Marlon is lack sleep, and yeah, it's gonna be fun.
As usual.
As usual. Wedding days. Quite a good day for a wedding today, and we're shooting here at Riverstone, and yeah, it's kind of warm. I'll show you the place. So yeah, this is Riverstone Estate, and I've shot here before, it all did, but it's really good. There's some winery out there, and while we're shooting, there's a concert over there. It's a day in the greens. I don't know who's performing, but yeah, it's gonna be stuff later. So this is the venue, and yeah, that's it for today. Not much to talk about. I just need to prep and stuff because we'll be hands on deck, so I won't be filming a lot. We'll be filming after shooting it. But today's wedding, a couple of today's fun. We have Alyssa and Andrew, or Alyssa. I should forget her name. Anyway, let me check her name. Let's see. Lisa. So her name is Lisa, and the guy's Andrew. Andrew's really fun. Like, he cracked a lot of joke. He did a moonwalk, and they say he's gay. He's doing gay stuff. It's just so funny. But yeah, gotta start shooting now. I think Mom's waiting for me. I'm gonna get the gears now. It's really hot.
You know, most of us dream of journeying through life with that special person who knows how to make us smile and who just love us unconditionally. Marriage is a promise made in the hearts of two people who love each other, but it's also a promise that takes a lifetime to fulfill, and followed by a smashing headache in the morning. Oh, well done, everyone. Don't forget your vows, okay? Most important part of a marriage.
To top it all off, you have given me the greatest gift of all, our beautiful daughter Charlotte. This I do promise, that your resting bitch face, constant need to be right, and extensive indecisiveness on dinner plans will not deter me ever.
I promise to love you through all the times I may think you back to the other team. Through the times you pretend to be my gay best friend out in public, or all the times you cross-dress in your sister's clothes at 1 a.m. in the morning.
It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good.
So I'm at the venue right now, and there's a day in the green of that place there. And yeah, it's kind of dark, but I'm using the A64 now. ISO 12,800. Okay, that's a day in the green, and yeah, you can see it's really dark now, but this camera is capable. And this is the venue we're shooting in here. Yep. Boss, maybe. Boss, you still have a shoot tomorrow, right? Yeah, typical days on weddings, we just pack up and people are still partying and we're packing up already. Look at the venue we're in. Thanks to the camera, it's really bright, but it's really dark right now. Yes, it is. I don't know how to work this out, but anyway, yeah, we just had a fucking long day, and yeah, we thought we finished shooting, and then later on, Marlon realized that he didn't shoot the rings, so we're back here, and it's so bright, shooting the rings. Yep. So yeah, that's the venue. I'm heading home now, and it's really dark, freaking dark in here. Yep, dark. Yeah, so that's it for today. Didn't film that much because was very busy, but yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a rest day. It's gonna be at home chilling, and yeah, you guys have a good night. Stay safe. I don't know, I just wanted to put something in the vlog today, but didn't have any time. I'm so busy. I'll see how it yeah. So the event just ended, and we're trailing around this roads here because they closed the other part of the road there. Yep, they did. Let me just adjust the shit. So yeah, there we go. Bit of traffic in the road here. So yesterday's wedding went out well. We had a good sunset shot. We were supposed to go home early, but there was heavy traffic on a day and the green, so it took us a while to get through. But yeah, everything worked out well, all good. Only thing is I didn't film that much because I was so busy, but yeah, tomorrow's gonna be Monday. I just slept the whole day today. I was so tired. I have a stiff neck, I have a headache and everything else, but everything should be fine. So yeah, I might just put some snippets of the wedding we shot yesterday, but after that I'm just gonna go to sleep. I'm so tired and having a headache, and yeah, see you soon guys.